Just imagine the person beside you, sitting or standing or walking, suddenly starts to behave like a zombie, and within a second, he or she died. This is quite strange. This is happening moreover, you can say 3 to 4 states. Do you know why this is happening and what is this called? Let us give you a little bit information. This is a zombie virus which is making the living people death by making them zombie. A few years back, scientists found Pithovirus sibiricum, a cow zombie virus, in 32,000-year-old soil buried in Siberian permafrost. Pithovirus was found in same Siberian permafrost the oldest revived plant was found in. Now this is called the zombie virus. Now let us look into what is this zombie drug. As we know that drug is a common factor in nowadays danger. But what will happen if you take the drug and you will become a zombie? Mexican public health officials are sounding an alarm after a study discovered the presence of animal tranquilizer xylazine in opioids in cities on the country's northwest border with the United States, known popularity in English by names like Trankdo and zombie drug. Xylazine cut into heroin. Fentanyl has in recent years worsened the opioid scourge in US cities like Philadelphia. On April 8, Mexico's health minister, in conjunction with the Mental Health and Addiction Commission, issued an alert for health personnel and first respondent in Mexico. The border cities of the possible adulteration of the heroin and fentanyl with xylazine because it is the sedative but not an opioid. Xylazine can make opioid overdose reversal treatments less effective and raise the risk of fatal drug poisoning, while also causing several skin diseases, abscesses that can be life-threatening. In Mexico, like the United States, xylazine is only approved for use in animals, not humans. The government alert pointed to a study that tested 300 samples of drug residues in the cities of Tijuana and Mexicali, identifying xylazine as an adulterant in 35 residues of heroin mixed with fentanyl and 26 fentanyl residues. The study, which is ongoing, has not been yet published, is funded by Mexico's National Council for Science and Technology.